Malicious software or website needs improvement. How to fix these issues in the Google Merchant Center. So, if you are trying to get a Google Merchant Center approved, or if you've tried it in the past, you might have noticed that Google likes to make it challenging for us. It doesn't do this because it hates us, it does this to protect the end customer, your customer. Because for Google, it's important that they have a good experience. So, from no products available to misrepresentation, the worst one, it can throw a lot of things your direction. But don't worry about it. In this channel, I will teach you everything you need to know to get your Google Merchant Center approved and to start making some money with Google. So without further ado, let's dive into this video, Malicious Software. And my name is StijnE-com and we are the Merchant Masters. So, how to fix malicious software? What to do? Google has determined that your website might have some software that's not running properly, some issues with dead links, some issues with a lot of things in the backend that it sees as a potential danger or a potential problem for the user experience of the end customer, your customer. So what to do? There are a couple things that you should quickly run over on your website to figure out what the exact problem is. The first one is Google doesn't like 404 links, so what you can do is do a dead link check. There are a lot of tools online to do dead link checks from your whole website. We use that link checker. This one will show you where the links come from and then you can easily fix it. I'm thinking I don't have to show you this. It's fairly easy. When you see the link, go to the product page or search the link in your website and then fix the issue. The next thing what you can do is use DevTools. And DevTools is a program in the browser that if you open it, you can do a check on your website to see if you have any issues. And I will share it on my screen so that you can see how it actually works. So, the Lighthouse shortcut. Lighthouse is DevTools. It shows here you can do F12, Ctrl-Shift-I on Windows or Command-Options-I on Mac. It's also really easy if you press the right mouse button and you go to inspect. Then it will open this tool and here it shows a couple options you have to dive a little bit deeper. It can be really complicated, so I will not dive too deep in it. I will use Amazon as a example. If you have not, if Lighthouse is not showing here, it's probably below the dashes. If you then press on it, it opens Lighthouse. With Lighthouse, what you can do is analyze the page load speed. So if you press on this, in the background, you will see that it is loading the website and is doing a whole search, a whole scan of your website in how it is performing. If it finds certain things that are really bad, it will show you here, for example, your page load speed, something like that. These are all issues that you might want to fix before doing the request for the new approval in your Google Merchant Center. So I'll give it one more second. I see it's almost done. If, for example, your page load speed is really slow, then you can try and see if you can find someone on Fiverr or Upwork or another place, maybe in your own network, to find a developer to fix this. So here, the performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO, it shows you all these things. Performance is the main one that you should focus on. It shows all this information. I will not go too deep about it, deep in it, because then it will be a really long video with a lot of complicated terms. But if you open them, it shows you all the information that you need. If you have no idea how this works, there are a lot of people on Fiverr or Upwork that you can contact. They will do a Lighthouse scan and then show you what you need to improve. There are people who are cheap or expensive. Most of the times it also depends on their level of skill. You can also run a Lighthouse yourself so that you know that they are not scamming you. So make sure that you do it before and not after, else you don't have a good comparison. Make a screenshot and then you can put them to work. So that's the first one. So you can get the Lighthouse score to get a feeling for how your website is performing. Google itself also says that you can use the Search Console. With the Search Console, it opens, let me quickly go here again. It opens this. So I will link these below. Google here explains all these things itself. It says, okay, go to the Search Console, fill in your domain, and with this, you will get a lot more information. When you fill in the domain, I'm still using Amazon as an example. Make sure that you take away the W's and the HTML and the dash in the end. Then you can check it, and here it will explain to you how to do all these things. So add the record types, sign into the domain, copy the text, and then it can do the proper verification. Of course, you want to do it for your own domain. I cannot do it with one of our domains because they are already verified, but it will show you all the steps you need to take to get it fixed. So the Search Console, and then let me quickly scroll down so that I have all the information. Lighthouse. So here is the Amazon. So it differs from the Wi-Fi you use. So as you just saw that the Wi-Fi that the score was different, it is because my Wi-Fi is different at the moment. The Search Console, fill these in. I will link the description there, and then you just fill in the request. You request a review, and you pray. If there's something wrong, you can just contact Google as well. They only respond after you've done a request, but it should work fine. So with that, I'm closing up the video. If you want more information, you can subscribe. Please like the video if you had some knowledge, get some knowledge out of this. If you have questions or you have issues, drop a comment below. I'm here to help you. My team is here to help you and get you making money with Google. So for now, good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.